And one of the many unique exhibits here at the Franklin is this historic steam engine. This train uses steam combustion to power the engine. And here's a cool experiment Brittany is going to share with us to learn something about the science of combustion. You just need to have a candle and some matches, a little adult supervision. All right, so
absolutely.
First of all, let's talk about combustion. You need three things, right?
We need fuel.
Got it.
We need heat.
Got it.
And an oxidizer.
Right.
Okay.
So we've got oxygen.
Right, check.
And our heat is the match, right? But the fuel, believe it or not, is the wax of this candle.
Yeah, so the wax looks solid here, but as it's burning, it's creating a liquid right on top and then vaporizing into a gas.
And you
can't really see that,
right?
Yeah. But the flame is actually being fed by that gas. And there's hydrocarbons in it. That's what's keeping it fueled. And when
little tiny pieces of wax.
Yeah, and when we blow this out, there's gonna be a little smoke trail. There's still hydrocarbons in that smoke trail that can still act as a fuel. So should we try it out?
So wait just a second. So you're telling me if I blow this out, you have a match that's up close to it, you can cause this to relight by putting the match.
That's hopefully what's gonna happen.
All right, you light the match and
All right.
okay, here we go.
And then blow it out nice and gently.
Okay, so you're set and ready to go?
Yeah, I've got
Good. All right, so I'll blow this out and you're gonna try to relight it here. Did you see
Just
that?
like that.